Thank you, Coach. And for Jonah, 19 points in this game. Personally lang ba, paano mo minotivate yung sarili mo to help the team get this victory?
Inisip ko lang po na kailangan din ako nila. So, syempre, andun pa rin yung pagka-miss sa paglalaro. Hindi nawawala yan. So, yun. Inisip ko lang kailangan nila ako. Hindi ko inisip na mag-points. Ang inisip ko po is defense and blocking talaga ngayon in this game. So, yun.
Thank you. And for Rania, grabe rin yung naging contributions mo for the team. May mga crucial contributions ka. So, ano lang yung masasabi mo sa naging overall performance ng team tonight against Creamline?
Kumapit talaga. As in like thank you. Every point nilalaban. Kasi grabe yung roar nila. Oo, gets na yun.
Anya.
Yun po.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Jonah and Rania, yung nga, sinabi ni Coach na almost same circumstances nga yung previous game niya sa Creamline last November, same uniform, same everything. So parang yung bigat ng pagkatalo na yun, parang how much of that was part of today's game, kaya't nabawian nyo rin talaga sila?
For me, like, composure lang din ng bawat isa talaga. Yun nga, kailangan lang din talaga na may mag-remind na like after the points, pag once na points na Creamline, we need to counter din talaga after that. So yun, kahit pa paano, nagawa din naman ng maayos. Kahit minsan medyo nawawala din kami.
Sa akin naman po, kasi po last year, nung nakapaglaro ako nung Creamline also, hindi pa talaga fully recovered from the injury. As in like, sobrang may masakit pa talaga. And nung pinasok ako that time, hindi ako makatalon. But now, kasi ang iniisip ko lang is makatulong sa team. Kasi no error, kahit may error ako. No error, at saka makatulong lang talaga. So kahit yun, tulong, yun lang. Right.
For Jonah, nabanggit ni Coach kanina about sa uniform, and then also sa Twitter, there's this parang superstition or belief that whenever you're wearing the black jersey one, most likely talo. How does it feel na to overcome tong belief by your fans, and at the same time, parang na-break na ba yung curse, or tell us about it?
Actually, mindset ko kanina, bahala na talaga eh. Kasi we know Creamline na like, lalaban talaga. So, yun, sabi ko, bahala na lang. Basta ako papalo ako. Magawan ko ng maayos yung work ko, susunod din lahat. So, kahit pa paano, maging okay naman yung kalalabasan namin. So,
Jonah, yun nga. Knowing na Creamline nga yung kalaban, alam niya mas siguro ng Petrogas gaano ka-importante makuha tong panalo na to in the semis. For you, personally, ilang beses mo na rin nakalaban ang Creamline. Gaano ka laking bagay ito, and parang gaano ka personal itong win na to for you?
actually, lahat naman ng teams is malaking bagay sa lahat. Kailangan manalo talaga this conference. Like semis pa talaga, diba? So, yun. Counted lahat.
Coach, next game, Choco Mucho, they just came from a 5-set loss to Akari. So, how will the team handle that game heading on Tuesday?
Yes. I said, today game, I said to player, before starting the first set, I said to player, my player is a challenger. Next game also, we are challenger. I know Chocomucho level. I know. Because 1 year ago, lost my team. Yeah, I know. Today game, everyone have a good performance. The 2 players and the group and the 6 member and the sub member, a lot of analysts. But today, now I think, today, hero is Ram, Captain Ram.
Yeah.
Because Ram not on the court, second set, third set. But always advice to teammate. Fun, let's go, she made a good atmosphere. Yes, so now she can control the team. So result is we could win to the hero run. Also next game, more do best, we are challenger. Yeah.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Rania. Thank you, Jonah. Congrats on the win.
Thank you.
Thank you. Congrats.